Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a new product review for you on a brand, a beauty brand that I've never tried before and I'm really excited about. So this brand is called VANI-T. I've been really fortunate to have been sent some goodies from them and I'm going to be testing them out today on camera. I've not done any swatches, I haven't tested them on my skin or anything like that, so I thought I'd just do all of that on camera. I was really lucky, they reached out to me to see if I'd be interested in testing out some of their products and I jumped at the chance because I loved what I saw on their website, which I'll show you here. So in all they've sent me 4 different things to try. So I have a Ready Set Glow setting spray. I have their mineral powder foundation. I have a kabuki brush which I think you use to apply the foundation, and then I have a Liquid Radiance highlighter drops. So I've not unpackaged them or anything like that. I thought I would just properly do a review on camera, give you my honest opinion, and yeah, I'm really excited. So first off, let me tell you about the brand. VANI-T is an Australian natural tanning and cosmetics company and an international success story. Founded on the purest natural ingredients in the world. Founded in 2004, the company and its products have been developed with a strong vision, determination and commitment to quality. In 2004, mother of 3, Tanya Walsh, launched the world's first natural tanning solution to the market. VANI-T was the first company in the world to develop natural tanning formulations that work in harmony with our bodies and the environment over 12 years ago. Today the range has since expanded to include a complete range of body and mineral cosmetics, which I'm trying today, which I'm excited about. Since VANI-T's conception in 2004, I've been dedicated to creating innovative, high demand products that have a real point of difference in image. Delivery of results, quality and purity, enriched with natural and organic ingredients and stunning recyclable packaging. This fusion of ethics, luxury and performance is what we call eco-glamour. And that's Tanya Walsh's, that's her own comments. So their belief is, they believe in eco-glamour, so no mineral oils, no petrochemicals, no talc, no fillers, no parabens, no artificial fragrances, no harmful preservatives. They're 100% vegan and cruelty-free, free from harmful chemicals, natural pure plant and native extracts, kind to the environment and 100% Australian owned and operated. So I'm very excited to test these out. I love the fact that they're cruelty-free and I think their ethos is incredible, and it's one to obviously for other brands to look up to, because I think that's amazing that they're vegan, cruelty-free, they don't use any harsh chemicals in their products. So I'm very excited to see how these work and how successful they are on my skin. Yes, I really hope that I gave them the right shades, because obviously I tan quite a lot in the summer. My skin tone differs kind of month from month, which is really bizarre, but we're going to try and test them out and I would just try and review the products as I normally would, as honest as I normally am. And so I'm going to first ready my skin with their Ready Set Glow, and this is actually a beauty shortlist bestseller and a winner, so it's won awards, so it's meant to be amazing. And this is one of the products that I personally chose to review because I love a setting spray. I usually use the MAC Cosmetics Prep and Prime, so I am all about a setting spray and anything to prime my skin. So it says on here, Ready Set Glow, this lightweight 3-in-1 illuminating setting spray delivers a primed complexion for a flawless makeup finish. Infused with skin-loving ingredients and light reflecting particles, This hydrating mist gives a burst of radiance any time of the day. So I'm just going to use this how I would use it. So I'd prime my skin and then I will set my makeup. So, oh, it smells very citrusy. It's beautiful. It's really kind of wakes you up. That smells lovely. Oh, that's kind of just took me by surprise. I didn't expect it to smell like that. So now I'm going to go in with the VANI-T Australia Mineral Powder Foundation, and I asked for the shade Sand because I think this would be more to what I would actually use in a liquid foundation, but I'm not quite sure. But we'll check it out. And look at this. Sorry, I just had to show you. It comes in a cute little bag. It has VANI-T on the front. Very, very cute. And look how cute that brush is. It's kind of like got little like diamonds in. Obviously they're not diamonds, but they look like crystals. And it's so soft, so I'm excited to kind of try this out. So let's give it a whirl. Okay, so the lid comes off like that, and then you can see there's holes in at the top, so obviously you would just dab on and then apply. So let's do that. I'm just going to peel the tab off. I've never tried a powder foundation before, to be honest. I know brands like Bare Minerals actually do them, I believe, but I've never ever tried them. I've never even thought to try one, so I'm quite excited about this. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to zoom you in. Right, so let's so you get a decent amount on there. I'm just going to try and build it up just to see. Much more of like a natural makeup girl, you guys know that. I actually don't know how much I need, so I'm just going to try and apply as I go. I've got some in the lid, so I'm just going to keep that for now and just apply it. It's got like a goldy shimmer to it, which I quite like, but I think it is my colour. It doesn't make me look too dark, or it's not too light for me. I've recently got a new puppy. I'm so excited to tell you. I will be doing vlogs with her. I was initially going to create her own channel, and then I decided that, well, Gary kind of convinced me that I should just incorporate her into mine. Her name's Echo. She's a Rhodesian Ridgeback, and I will introduce you in a video. My skin looks quite flawless. This has really surprised me. I don't know what I was expecting from a powder foundation, but I feel like it's really evened me out. That's so lovely. It's given me like a lovely glow, like it's worked in really well in combination with the setting spray, and it doesn't look like I've got anything on my face. It just looks like my skin just with a little bit of highlighter, but obviously better because it's evened me out amazingly. I am in love with that. That looks so good. Like, it's not full coverage or anything, but it's really evened my skin out. That is so nice. I think I'll be using that every day. That really is just, I can't even, I'm so surprised. I don't even know what to say. That looks so good. I'm so impressed with that. So that is the VANI-T Mineral Powder Foundation in the shade Sand. That is lovely. I'm so shocked with that. That gets a tick from me. So now to try the Liquid Radiance Highlighter Drop. So this is the one I wasn't too sure whether it would be the right for me, because I didn't pick my shade. And there was Ivory and Sun, and I have a feeling that maybe I'm more Sun, but I don't know. We'll see how we get on, because I may be very wrong. So this is what the packaging looks like. Very nice. The shade itself is actually really quite beautiful. I'm going to just put it on the back of my hand for now. Oh, I thought it was one of those, the drops, but it's not. It's just a, maybe it is. I've just put a little bit on the back of my hand, so I'm going to test it first, just to see if it's the right shade for me, because if it is, then I'll put it all over my face. But if it's not, then I don't want to ruin my foundation. So I'm just going to take a little bit and just pop it where I would. And then use my brush and just... Because I think the foundation already has like a nice kind of shine to it. I don't think I need a lot because it already is dewy, obviously in combination with the Ready Set Glow. I mean, but that is actually not bad at all. Like it's, can you see that? It's got like a really nice natural dewiness to it. This is just lovely. Actually goes on really well. It doesn't dry too much in one space. It's easy to blend through, and you can kind of just move it with your finger if you want to, and it doesn't kind of affect your foundation. Where a lot of highlighters I find that shift around, which I'm not personally a fan of. Let's get some more glow. We want some more glow. I think maybe I put too much on the end of my nose, but look at that glow. Gee, wow. That is insane, isn't it? Look at that. That is amazing. I am, wow. That's incredible. I'm just going to do the rest of my makeup and then I'll jump back on camera and show you the final look. Hey my love, so that's my makeup done. I haven't actually set it now. I thought I'd do that on camera because I want you guys to see. So that is the final look. I just look dewy as hell. I love it. I really, really love this look. I love how it's kind of made me look really, you know, fresh and dewy, and the makeup's so good, such good quality. The foundation has got to be my favourite. I think it just is flawless. It's made my skin look so even, so stunning, and I'm just so happy with it. I just can't get enough. This is like an everyday use for me. I love it. The liquid radiance drops are amazing. I think the shine that you get from that is just, I mean, I have nothing bad to say about it. I love the applicator, I love the colour. I'm just so shocked with how well Ivory has suited my skin. And I think it'll look really nice on all skin tones, and you can get sun, which is obviously for darker skin tones, so I would definitely suggest this too. And then of course the setting spray. This smells so nice. It smells good, it feels nice, it feels really fresh, zingy, and I see what they mean with the glow. I think it just adds just that little bit extra, and I just think it's stunning. All round, I'm so impressed and so happy, and I'm not surprised that those products have won awards, because I mean, I'm speechless really. I'm just speechless. I am. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this review, guys. Definitely go check out VANI-T. I'll put all the products in the link in the description box below for you. And yeah, I mean, what can I say? It just looks amazing. So yes, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with all your friends. I'm going to go and give my puppy some love now because I can hear her slightly whimpering and it's breaking my heart. So I will see you in my next video. Bye!